In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for international SEO fast and easy. It's a fantastic tool that can help you understand what's trending across the globe, which in turn can significantly enhance your SEO strategies for various international markets. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to go to the Google Trends website. Once you're there, you'll notice a search bar right at the top of the page. This is where the magic begins. Enter a keyword or phrase that you're interested in exploring. For instance, if you're in the coffee business, you might want to see what's happening with terms like black coffee. After you've typed in your keyword, click on the Explore button. This will bring up a treasure trove of data related to your keyword. Google Trends will show you how popular your search term is relative to the total searches conducted on Google over a set period. Now let's get more specific. On the right side of the screen, you'll see options to adjust the time range and location. For global insights, set your location to worldwide and choose an appropriate time frame. For example, you might want to look at data from the past 12 months to get a comprehensive understanding of trends over the last year. Next, set your time frame by clicking on Past 12 months. This will give you a full year view of the interest level in your keyword. Analyzing this data can help you identify seasonal trends and determine when your topic peaks in popularity. Then, to tailor your data further, select an international location you're interested in. If you have a specific market in mind, say the United States, configuring this will narrow down the data to what's relevant to that region. Once you've set these parameters, you'll notice a section called Interest Over Time. This is a line graph that provides a visual representation of how interest in your keyword has changed over your selected time period. It's a fantastic way to visualize the ups and downs of interest, helping you strategize your content accordingly. Another useful tool on this page is the Related Topics section. Here, you'll discover topics related to your search term that are currently gaining popularity. Leveraging these related topics in your content can boost engagement by aligning with current interests. Finally, for a more in-depth comparison, you can set a secondary keyword by using the Compare feature. This allows you to see how two or more keywords perform against each other. When you compare these, you can add the rising topics you find to your content strategy to improve your local SEO presence. By now, you should have a good grasp of how to use Google Trends to bolster your international SEO efforts. It's truly an invaluable tool for identifying and capitalizing on trends, helping ensure that your content remains relevant and effective across global markets.